Sexologists from Samadhan Health Studio bring to you a refreshing podcast, My Dr. Tells. Here you will find solution to all common sex problems directly from the experts. Know about vaginismus, unconsummated sex, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, masturbation addiction, nightfall, and truths about several sexual myths. I am Dr. Hital Gosalia in association with Dr. Ashok Koparde, and we have made all of this and much more available to you all for free, no strings attached, no sign-ups, no mail IDs required at mydoctortells.com. Today, we bring to you the facts of erectile dysfunction, commonly called ED. It is a sexual dysfunction in which the man has the inability to develop or maintain erection of penis during sexual intercourse. Young men in their 20s, in absence of any organic illness, wrongly diagnose themselves with ED and get down in the turmoil. We have divided this podcast in 3 phases. The first in which we explain how erection takes place, the next in which we explain temporary difficulty in erection, and the last one being the treatment that we have adopted to help men overcome ED. Are you a man losing erection when you try to insert the penis in the vagina or while wearing a condom? Or do you lose erection during foreplay? Or are you the one losing erection during change of position? Do you feel yourself as one who is just not getting the perfect hard-on? Have you lost your morninghood? Or are you the one who feels that your penis doesn't get hard when you attempt to masturbate? If you find yourself as one of these persons, then you have arrived at the right place because a sexologist is whom you need to help you through this. So, if you are ready to heal yourself naturally and have an open mind to listen to the medical facts and eradicate myths, let us begin. Erection is the response of the brain to the sexual stimuli. Quality of erection is directly proportional to the sexual arousal. More the arousal, better will be the erection. As one gets excited, blood rushes in the erectile tissues of the penis leading to erection, after which there is a discharge of sticky fluid called precum, which may or may not contain sperms. Precum acts as a lubricating agent. With a built-up in sexual excitement, the body tightens with an increase in breathing and pulse rate. Eventually, the sexual tension releases with rhythmic contraction of the muscles at the base of the penis, causing ejaculation of semen from the urinary opening. This is when the orgasm, the peak of sexual pleasure, is achieved. Body now relaxes with a sense of satisfaction. Men's psyche is very much penis-centered. So, whenever young men who are not yet married or going to get married or even the newlywed, not having high blood pressure or diabetes, when don't get a hard-on are crestfallen. They feel that their erection is not adequate or not as hard as it used to be. They take it straight to their heart and get depressed. Men may get erection while they masturbate but may not get satisfactory erection when they are with their girlfriend or wives. They develop a lot of anxiety and start doubting themselves, which make them believe that they have ED. This is commonly called psychological ED or situational ED. We at Samadhan Health Studio prefer to call these as TDE, temporary difficulty in erection, which is completely curable under the guidance of experienced sexologists without the need of medicines. TDE is caused by disturbances in the brain. The CNS or the central nervous system, जो सबका बाप है, controls all the sexual functions. Sexual functions are governed by excitatory and inhibitory signals from the brain to the penis. The sympathetic nervous system causes loss of erection, whereas the stimulation of parasympathetic nervous system gives rise to erection. Oxytocin, serotonin, and dopamine are some of the neurotransmitters that influence sexual functions. Thus, brain is the most important sex organ as sex centers are present in the brain and the spinal cord. Sexual pleasure intense joy of orgasm is felt by the brain. Hence, it is rightly said that sex is not just between the two legs but between the two ears, the mind. So, any type of pain, fear, anxiety, stress, emotional disturbance, or false expectations related to sex can cause ED. We doctors at Samadhan Health Studio consider all of these aspects and take detailed history of the man before treatment. We do not rely on medicines like Viagra, which just have a local temporary action on the penis. Treatment of ED without medicines includes cognitive therapy counseling, in which false beliefs about penis size, masturbation side effects, and female satisfaction are corrected by right knowledge, and methods how to gain erection naturally are taught. Once erection is lost during foreplay, you did not panic. Don't get nervous. That's the key. Restart foreplay, and with an intact self-confidence, you are bound to get back your lost erection. During sex play, sometimes erection decreases, this is called waning, and comes back, which is called waxing. Waning and waxing of erection is the way the penis behaves. ED cannot be cured with a snap of a finger. It needs tender care and attention. If you would like to read about this in detail, do consider visiting mydoctortells.com/ED. This condition, if left unattended, the woman feels dejected as the man avoids going in bed with her. Men sometimes do not seek treatment due to feeling of embarrassment, which eventually leads to disharmony in life. That is it for this episode. If you like what you heard, consider rating us on Google and help us build a community where we help each other. Thank you for sticking till the end. This means a lot to us. Stay tuned and we will be back with yet another podcast very soon. For now, I am Dr. Hital Gusalia in association with Dr. Ashok Kopade signing off.